Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add transit card to your Samsung wallet, making your daily commute hassle-free. Let's get started. Step 1 is open Samsung Wallet. First, locate the Samsung Wallet app on your home screen and app drawer. Tap on it to open the app. Step 2 is access the menu. Once you are in the app, look for menu icon. It's usually found in the upper left or right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the menu option. Now step 3 is select add card. From the menu list, tap on add card. This is where you will be able to add different types of cards including your transit card. The fourth step is choose transit card. Next, you will see various card options. Tap on transit card to proceed with adding your transit card details. Step 5 is find your transit provider. Now you will need to select your transit provider from the list. You can scroll through or use the search bar to quickly find your provider. Step 6 is enter card details. After selecting your provider, you will be prompted to enter your transit card details. This typically includes the card number and any other required information. Ensure you enter these details accurately. Now step 7 is verify your card. Depending on your provider, you may need to verify your card. Follow the on-screen instructions such as confirming via a text message or email. Last step is complete setup. Once verification is complete, you will see a confirmation screen. Congratulations, your transit card is now added to your Samsung wallet. And there you go. A simple way to keep your transit card handy using Samsung Wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and safe travels. Remember, having your transit card on your phone means no more fumbling for cash or cards. See you in the next video.